I go wherever the spider goes. Hawaiian cloud rainforest, abracadabra. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. Abracadabra. Hawaiian cloud forest reserve up here, Oma Trail. Here's a Spyderco digital camo in the natural tree moss in a cloud rainforest in Hawaii. It's a Super Bowl Sunday weekend, and we've got no clouds and no rain today. It's just a good day for hiking. Be happy to find a spider up here to go with the Spyderco. Spyderco. Would really like to find a Hawaiian spider. We got happy face spiders in Hawaii and a few others. This is a cloud rainforest. It's Super Bowl weekend, so there's no clouds and no rain, but this is a cloud rainforest. It's just a sunny day. And there's the Spyderco. I go wherever my spider goes. There's a guy that actually runs a private rainforest who's like an expert on the vegetation, which I'm not, so don't ask me for plant identification or what you can eat, what you can't eat. I mean, I brought a Fig Newton. So. Spyderco. Yeah, you can kind of see how it works. Camo wise. Kind of like a sky shot here, because they're up at elevation looking down. You can see how it is when you're getting into the vegetation. It seems to camo up a little better than when you're up here at the sky. Nevertheless, it is what it is. I mostly have the trade wind pattern predominating today, so probably would have to stay until nightfall before it starts raining up here. I don't know if I'm going to stay that long. Basically, it works on convection at a certain point. Abracadabra.